Liability is a shared responsibility. How can we support each other better? And in all of these scenarios, you have to be prepared for the other person to be defensive. They're not necessarily going to be cool Joe to go, can you tell me more about why you feel that way? Can you tell me more about why you said that? So I just said, I don't have any confidence in your ability to manage this organization moving forward. Can you tell me more about why you feel that way? I don't feel safe in this environment right now. In order to feel safe, um, I'm going to need some accountability on your end. And what that accountability looks like on your end is you holding space, safe space, for me to say what I need to say, whether my heart is racing, whether my tone goes up, see, whether there's some sort of thing happening. Your job then is to provide a safe space. And a lot of times what that means is just being quiet and not saying anything for 60 seconds if it's needed. You can go 2 minutes if you need to. If it goes longer than that, then you can simply say, I can see that you're still not feeling safe. I'd like to come back together again on Wednesday, to talk about this some more, to see if we can really understand and come to some sort of spot where you have a safe space. I realized that what I was doing was projecting my own insecurities, my own anger, my own inabilities onto you. And I want to address that with you. So this is not a safe time. Let's do it again on Tuesday. If you're available on Tuesday at 2:00, let's come back specifically to talk and provide a safe space for you. Which